Hello kids, how are you? This is my family finger puppets. Hello, good afternoon. We're here. You know what is our activity? My family finger puppets. So, we have 5 members here. That's why I prepared the 5 colored papers. So, you can get your own papers. Okay, you can cut like this. And if actually I'm the mother and I have my husband and I have 3 kids. Okay, so it's time for you to make your own body or face first and then body. Okay, actually this is the cover of my pencil case. So look at this. Our circle. Our trace. Okay, the same size of my husband. And the rest, this one, the circle, the small one. Okay, for my. So, now I'm going to draw inside the circle the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Okay? Look at this. And what about my husband? And the rest, my 3 sons. Okay, because this is me, and I will put of course this is bald, no? I will put hair. Okay. Okay, so for girls or for female, I will make a triangle.
Okay, it's a triangle. And the rest is, of course, rectangle. Okay. This is my eldest son. And this is my second son, and this is my youngest son.
Okay, here's the marker. You need to follow. Okay, and the green, and last orange. Okay, and then I will cut now. I will make a design. Okay, next. This is my husband. See? And this is my eldest son, Kuya PJ. Done! Yay! And I will put in my finger. Oh, my what happened to my fingers? So I use you need to use Scotch tape or glue or paste, but I have here. I want to use this.
Another adhesive tape.
Will put, and next
Okay.
look at this, and I will remove this one. Dun, 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 dun. Because my husband is the first, I will put it here. And me, I will put it here. And this is my youngest son. His name is PJ. Youngest. Sorry, eldest son, Kuya PJ. And then the second son is Kuya Mark. The last one is, my youngest son is Hans. Okay. Hello, kids. Oh, no, sorry. Hello, kids. How are you? This is my family finger puppets. I want to introduce to you my family. This is my husband. His name is Joseph. He's an engineer. And his work is, because we're here in the Philippines, he is busy in planting or farming the vegetables. And me also, actually, I am cleaning our mini garden. Okay, and I'm excited to share with you our story. But before that, I will introduce to you my three sons. Hi, this is Kuya PJ, my eldest son. He's grade 7 now in homeschooling. Okay, since 2012, no, homeschooled since 2012, and now he is grade 7. Okay, now this is my second son, Mark. Okay, say hi, Mark. Mark. Okay, so my Mark is he's always helping us to plant or water the plants. Okay, he's very helpful. And this is my Hans, my youngest son, Hans. He has a favorite pet. The name of his pet is Gold. You know what's that? It's a rooster. he kiss and he hug always, no? And now we are a happy family. God bless.